Remove the limescale deposits with little to no effort using this simple tip. If it's an electric kettle, remove the spout filter first. Then remove the big scale particles floating in the water by simply rinsing the kettle. Add some citric acid and a cup of water to the kettle and turn it on. The amount of citric acid and water depends on the quantity of the limescale deposits. The water should cover all the surface of the limescale. Turn the electric teapot on for several times so to let the water boil for a while. In the meanwhile, we can clean the less accessible parts like the spout. I made a citric acid hot water solution in a spray bottle. You can see the magic happening. The limescale deposits disappear literally in front of your eyes. It is important to make the cleaning solution with hot water. The citric acid works to a certain extent. It's simple chemistry. When the citric acid components were exhausted and could not react with calcium and magnesium anymore, I poured the water out of the kettle and boiled a new solution. Then threw the spout filter in the citric acid solution and boiled the water again. Crystal clear! Don't forget to rinse the kettle with clean water and to put the filter back. Enjoy your tea! More of interesting household tips at allowamadehome.com.